In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows key not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, what you want to do is come down here, search for ease of access keyboard settings. From in here, you want to find filter keys and make sure it's turned off. After that, you can come down here and search for Task Manager. Click anywhere and press W and look for Windows Explorer. What you want to do is right click and restart. After that, you can close it down, search for Device Manager, open it up, go to Keyboards, right click on your keyboard, update the driver. Now, if you don't know which one is your keyboard, what you can do is simply select each one of them and update the driver. After that, if it still doesn't work, the last step you can do is come here and search on screen keyboard if you really need to use the Windows button. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.